What is up, guys? This is the Transfer Gundam. I am very tired, first of all. I did just get back home from school and being in my clinical. But when I got home, I checked the mail and I had two packages waiting for me. So as I promised, I would film a part 2 for my previous video if you didn't see it. I did do a trade to get some more of the Gundam Mobile Suit and action figures in. And I did say that I'll be hunting for parts for this guy. And Brandon, also known as Joshua Gundam, reached out and he actually had spare parts for his Mermaid Gundam. So I decided to buy some parts from him so I can complete this guy. And then the guy that I previously traded with, he actually reached out to me and said he had some spare parts for the Battlescarred Maxter Gundam, which I just did a review on. And he was actually managed to track down a lot with an extra John Bull rifle. So I'm very excited to complete this guy, and I definitely did want to get his rifle. So I just want to very quickly just unbox these and show you the parts. And yeah, I don't want to waste a lot of time here as I do got to eat and study. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the package from Brandon here. Let's see if I can just cut this, or maybe I can rip it real fast here. You know what, here, let's try not to damage anything, obviously. Here we go, let's cut it down this way. I would not recommend using a knife this way, but I'm just trying to do this fast here. So, let's see that works. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, the package good. Alright, yeah, okay. There we go. Alright, then let's see what we got. So, do it in a nice little bag for me. So here we go. Here are the parts for the Mermaid Gundam. And he also had a spare spiky arm guard for the Neros Gundam, because my copy was actually missing those. He did say that there was some like glue residue on it, so hopefully it'll fit in. If not, I can always just glue it in myself. But they should just go in like so. Yeah, I'm probably have to glue this in because this is gonna be a very tight fit here. Yeah, it's not gonna fit in, but you can see it just plugs into these here. So I still got to try to hunt down another one of these here, and also the coordinator if I want to complete this guy. But I'm going to start with that later. So there's that for Nero's Gundam. And let's take a look at these Mermaid Gundam parts real fast here. Not going to spend too much time messing with it. But we did get another leg here. So now I have both legs here. And I also got a spare kneecap, so I can put the kneecap on this leg. So let me go ahead and do that. There we go. Very tight fit. There we go. Two complete legs. And we also got the joint to connect the legs. So we're gonna have to figure out how this fits on here, but I'll have to mess around with that later. But I now officially have a completed Mermaid Gundam, so very excited. Maybe I'll see if I can just figure out how to do this real fast off camera, and then I'll show you the Mermaid Gundam with both his legs. So there you go, got our parts for him. Very exciting. And then let me very quickly open the second package here. So let me just grab my knife and cut. There. All right, and here we go. So, awesome. First of all, and I wasn't expecting him to send me these until he reached out. He said that he happened to find the parts that I was missing for my Maxter Gundam. Now I don't have all the parts for it, but I do now have the spare chest for when he's in his transformed Boxer mode, and he also sent me a spare thruster part that was missing on the other shoulder. So very cool. Very happy to have these. I was not expecting him to reach out and send me these. So let me see if I can open this real fast here. Again, as always, very good packaging for him. Very, very nice guy. But I want to keep him anonymous because I don't know if he, wants me to say his name or anything like that. So, but yeah, very, very nice guy. So let me get these out here. So here is the spare battle damaged chest piece. That looks really cool. Got some gnarly scratches and like a hole in his chest. Very cool. And then we have the spare booster here. So this should just plug in to the shoulder. So let me see if I can just do that real fast. So take this off here, and this should just plug in. Let's see here. There we go. I believe that's, well, almost had it. Here, let me just do this off camera real fast. Okay, so I ran into a small problem while trying to connect the thruster to the shoulder. I don't know if these parts worked or not, but I could not get this to line up perfectly. This was the best I was able to do, and I still can get it to move. It's just not all the way set. But I mean, these are older figures, so you can't really blame it too much. But I did manage to get it to work, and it can still move. So there you go. Okay, so there you go. I managed to get the Master Gundam transformed with the new chest and the boxing glove. So here is how he looks now. And yeah, man, he just looks so cool, especially with that new chest. Looks sweet, and I'm glad to have this figure more complete now. Now I'm still missing the guns and the base, but honestly, I'm not too worried about it. I'm just happy to have a complete master I can actually put into the super mode now. So that is awesome. All right, and just very quickly, I wanted to show off, I did get the legs attached to the Mari Gundam, so now we have a completed figure minus a open hand, but very happy to have this guy complete. Now, I will admit it was a little bit of a hassle to get the legs connected to the ball joint, just because the transformation is a little bit finicky. I'll be sure to talk more about it in the review for this guy. But still, very happy to have this figure. And yeah, I just absolutely love this design. It's so goofy, but it's so fitting for G Gundam. So there you go. Giant fish Gundam. So let me just very quickly show you. There's a side view of it. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And back to the front. And yeah, so stay tuned. More on this guy coming soon. Very excited. So yeah. Last thing I wanted to show off was the John Bull Gundam rifle. And oh man, I am so happy to have this thing. This is arguably one of the coolest looking rifles in all of Gundam. Like, check this thing out. It is just wicked cool. And I was able to get the Gundam to dual wield it. But yeah, this thing is awesome looking, and it can definitely do some damage. So now that I have the rifle for this guy, I definitely will also review the John Bull Gundam. And yeah, so stay tuned for that as well. Very excited. Absolutely love this guy now that he has his badass rifle. So yeah, there you go. All right, and that will about do it. Super happy with everything involved here. So just want to say thank you to the parties involved in helping me complete these guys. Super happy to have a completed Mermaid Gundam minus a open hand, a John Bull Gundam with the rifle. He just did not look complete without his rifle, but super happy to have him now. And also the Master Gundam with the spare chest and the spare thruster for the shoulder. So super happy to have all these guys complete. Again, huge shout out to everyone involved. And as for the Neros Gundam, I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this part on, just because there is super glue on the connection point. So for the time being, I can't actually plug it into the hole. So either I have to glue it on or maybe try to shave it down a little bit to see if I can fit it in. But stay tuned. I do definitely plan on reviewing the Mermaid Gundam and the John Bull Gundam. And I do want to say, I know as of recently, my channel has kind of been heavy on the Gundam MSIA content. So I hope you guys don't mind. I do really enjoy these figures. I do plan on also, getting back to model kit reviews as well. I do have a few kits in my backlog that I need to work on. It's just whenever I have time. As I, stated, I've been just very busy recently with school and also with my clinical. So it's been kind of taking up a lot of my time. But anyways, more reviews coming soon. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace.